If this thing's gonna fire up. What do you reckon? Let's go. Hey! Oh.
Tiny bit of oil leak here, so we're having to swap the engine out because of that tiny bit of oil leak.
I thought that was to fix the 5-cylinder issue.
It was $250 with a trannies.
I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
Oh, it just makes it easier, but...
So that's why you're putting a Barra in?
Yeah, that's why.
Coming up next on the Mullet Media channel, it's Barra time!
Oh, no.
Can't touch. This is all yours.
I'm already YouTube certified.
It's a Falcon Ute with an amazing engine into it, and it needs that engine. That's the Australian 2J. It's a fish. It's a 4-litre fish, the Barra. The Barramunger. All the torque, all the power, 190 versus 1 something.
I reckon 157 maybe. Or is that AU?
Hopes and dreams, but this is 190.
And the Ute weighs nothing, like 800 kilos.
How much weight does a XH, 98 Ute weigh versus a BF or BA? Because isn't a BA going to be
tomorrow
1,700 kilo, and this is going to be 13. Well, there's 200 kilo right there.
Yeah, so we're getting rid of that, so that'll take some weight out of it.
I reckon by the time it's done, it'll be under 1,500 kilo.
I reckon it'll be under 1,000.
Under 1,000. We'll have to put that on scales. All right, let's get this done
Today.
If not, it's gonna Harvey's. It's going to the wreckers.
Oh, I gotta get a pedal. I've got to make a pedal bracket up. I do have pedals, but I've got to make a bracket up. But I mean, we can just put it in there and then just use it. We can have a hand operated.
Well, it's a
for disabled.
It's an
people.
Automatic.
Mate.
Extend your arms. Isn't that the quick install connector? When you put an engine in, you just bang. There you go. It just bolts straight in.
That's we've got to get the in.
Dylan will suck the.
This is in. I think that's out. We probably should label that. For the
I hate to tell you. The line on the regulator is the return.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh. Didn't you know that?
Yeah, of course I knew that.
So the fuel pressure regulator regulates the return flow.
I was trying to say.
And therefore it holds the pressure in the rail.
I'm only YouTube certified.
Yeah.
Just point out that, no issues, just straight out.
This has been part 1 of the Barra swap in the XH. Part 2 is coming at you soon. Stick around and watch this space. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen.
Stop recording!